going to try a little experiment. The bike has been clean, but the back wheel still has some dirt on it, as I wanted to polish it up in some of the places you can see. Just places like here, and you can see again here and behind the wheel weight. So I'm going to, you can, I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but there's bits here. I was going to polish the wheel, but there's no point in doing it if there's still dirt on it. So what I'm going to do is try the bicarbonate of soda on the wheel here, see how it works out. I put some on already, just it's in a, this is the end of the paste. I've put paint together on the other side of the wheel already. So I'm just, as you can see, splashing it on everywhere. I'll leave this overnight. But just so you can see, and just paint it on very quickly. And we'll see how good or bad it does after being left. The idea I just want to do is so I can get it nice and clean and then use a polish on so that it'll make it easier to clean in future. So that's it. Okay, it's left to dry, and we're gonna see. I'm gonna wash it off now with a bit of water and see how. Well, here it is after using bicarbonate soda, and I'll put the light on. I have to say, I'm very pleased with the result. There's still a bit there, you can see. It's been wiped off. I've just been wiping off with a microfiber cloth afterwards. I used to dampen originally, and now just kind of getting in on the places that you can see, but it has loosened up the dirt. So if you're cleaning on a budget, I have to say it worked out very well. I also cleaned, I haven't polished them up or anything, the end exhaust, none of this has been polished yet, it's just been cleaned up. And even this section of the exhaust here, and I have to say, very good. It removes some staining off here. Again, it needs to be polished up, but it actually cleaned off the gritty bits and bits of mud and oily bits off the belly pan. Just needs to be polished up now, but very pleased with that. So a success, and I would do this on wheels again, definitely. I got rid of some watermarks that were on the front wheel, which you can't see now because they're gone, which was even after washing and cleaning with shampoo, motor shampoo. So very good, success.